Cronos Controller Setup Instructions. Device connection. Insert one end of the USB cable into the controller. Place the device on your workspace. Connect the other end of the cable to the computer. Important: connect the cable in this exact order, as the device calibrates each time it's plugged in. If you connect the cable to the computer first and then to the controller, the cursor will drift independently, making control difficult. Replaceable caps. You can change caps until you find the most comfortable option. Removal method. Remove the cap by gripping it with your nails and pulling upward. Then put on the cap you prefer. According to user feedback, the printing material slightly shrinks, and some caps may not fit securely. Solutions: place a small piece of paper and put on the new cap. Handrest. Initially the rest was made with springs, but user feedback showed that a fixed rest is more convenient. The choice is yours. For a fixed rest, remove the springs. This is quite simple. Replace them with pins from the kit. For better fixation, you can slightly glue the pins. Controller Setup Program Launch. Download the latest version from GitHub. Link will be in the description. Launch the Cronos Setting file with a double-click. Port detection. The COM port to which the controller is connected is automatically detected in the window. Establishing connection. Press the Apply button to connect the device. Parameter settings. Cursor speed, adjusted by the first slider. Scrolling speed, adjusted by the second slider. Button assignment. Click the window next to the desired button. In the opened menu, choose one of the preset keys or select the custom option to assign any button or combination. Saving settings. After making all changes, press the Apply button to save the settings. Device firmware update special, thanks to user Zeke for his suggestions on improving scrolling performance. Update procedure. Installing Arduino IDE. Download and install Arduino IDE. Link will be in the description. Code loading. Go to the GitHub page and open the Cronos program file. Click the code copy icon, then paste it into Arduino IDE. Library installation. Install the MPU 605 by Electronic Cats library. Find it using the name search. Also install the HID project from Arduino library. Select the Arduino Leonardo board and corresponding COM port. You can also select them through the menu. Update loading. Press Upload Program. The firmware will update in a minute. Sometimes you may need to restart the device after loading. Remove the cable from the computer and plug it back in. Thanks for watching.